You how to fit a cup holder to a W447 Vito van. The cup holder is a accessory that you can purchase from ourselves, and in this video, it's a short video just showing you how to fit it, which is very simple. So firstly, we need to take this panel off here. Now you can use a trim tool, or if you're careful enough, you can use a screwdriver. Simply, it's on clips, so you simply place a screwdriver in using a couple of screwdrivers, and you'll find that the panel will actually come straight out. Carefully remove the panel because you may want to replace it before you sell the vehicle or exchange it. So once the panel's out, you can now see this opens up the whole dashboard, and in here you can get to the back of the stereo, heater controls, so it's quite a good panel to remove if you ever need to do any work in the dashboard. So the second part of the install is to fit the new console. So again, as you can see, the fixings are all the same, so we simply line this up, and once happy with that lined up, it will simply clip into place. Each one of the clips will actually clip in as we're doing it. Okay, so now you can see this is installed. Sometimes I do find that to get the clips in, you do have to give it a bit of a bash to go in, but they just clip in, and as you can see, it's secure as the one that's just come out. So the final part of the video, or for the fitment of this console, is to fit the cup holder. So this is a separate part available, so this consists of a two-part kit. So as you can see, again, there's clips on it, so you simply rest it in and line it up so that it falls in with the holes. And again, sometimes it's just a case of just pushing it in into position, and there, less than 5 minutes, we have the new Vito cup holder fitted to the van.